Looking for a home where convenience comes first? Welcome to Tiera, Rica, located along Tourism Road, Barangay Malpitic, city of San Fernando, Pampanga. It's peaceful, surrounded by greenery, and away from the noise. Perfect if you want a relaxed, everyday kind of living. And the best part? You're still close to everything you need. Main roads, shops, and key places are just a short drive away. As you walk in, you're welcomed by a bright and open living space. Simple, clean, and easy to personalize. The dining and kitchen area is just right for everyday meals and casual gatherings, with a well-placed sink that makes food prep and cleanup easy and practical. Natural light adds a fresh and airy feel throughout the home. The layout is practical and well-planned, making the home feel open and functional. Each bedroom feels calm and cozy, perfect for rest and privacy. Enjoy a peaceful home while staying close to main roads, shops, and nearby essentials. So for more information, feel free to contact us, and we're more than happy to guide you.